Hey guys, this is Mr. H. Hey, today what I wanted to do is I wanted to go over the Regents word problems. Um, Basically, the word problems are usually going to be a system of linear equations, and it's going to come in one or two formats. Either it's going to come in slope-intercept format, which is y equals mx plus b format, or it's going to be in the standard format that is ax plus by equals c, right? So they like this. Every every Regents exam, they usually have a word problem that's a system of linear equations most of the time. And it's just a matter of determining, is it going to be slope intercept or standard form? So let's do a couple of questions. All right. This one was taken from the August 2024 Regents exam. And it says Jen joined a movie club at the local theater. At the theater, the cost of the admission in May and June is the same. In May, she saw two matinees and three regular price shows and spent a total of $38.50. In June, she went to six matinees and one regular price show, and she spent $47.50. They want us to write a system of equations to represent the cost represented by M of a matinee ticket and the cost star of a regular price ticket. Now, I think most students, hopefully, any place that you see matinee in the word problem, you're going to replace it with an M. And any place that you see regular price or regular price, you're going to replace with R. So this is going to be M, R, M, R. And now we're just going to take the numbers and put them together. So 2M plus 3R is equal to 3850. That's the first equation. And then the second equation is going to be 6M plus 1R is equal to 4750. Right? So now, once you got those two equations, now I like to go and I like to graph it and find the intersection because that's what you need. Now, in this case, they want us to do it algebraically, but I'm going to show you how to do it graphically. And at some point, if it's requested, I'll do it algebraically, but I'm going after kind of I think the quickest, most efficient way of doing this. So I'm going to go to the graph and then I'm going to put in a relation mode. And then I am just going to type in place of the matinee ticket, I'm going to put an X. In place of the regular price ticket, I'm going to put a Y. So it's going to be 2X plus 3Y equals 3850, 38.5. Press enter. All right. You can see the graph is up here in the corner. I'm just going to grab the graph and paper and pull it down a little bit. And now I'm going to enter the second equation. It's going to be 6X plus 1R equals 4750. 4750. Press enter. Oops. I wasn't supposed to put the R, so let me cancel that. My bad. Let me do that again. I always caution my students not to put so this should be an X or Y, and then we press enter. And there you go. I'm going to move these out of the way. So there are my two lines, and I'm just looking for the intersection. So I'm going to do menu 64. And I'm going to start on the left, pull it to the right. So here is the X value, the cost of a matinee ticket. And here's the Y value, a cost of a regular price ticket. So if I go to my iPad, what I'm going to say is M is equal to $6.50 and R is equal to $8.50. Now, so this would be 2 points. This would be 1 point. Now, Jen said that the cost of a matinee ticket was $5.75 and the cost of a regular price ticket was $9. And they want to know, is she correct? Well, there's a couple ways you could do it. As soon as we know the prices, the real prices, the true prices, then we know that Jen can't be right. If the price of the matinee ticket is $6.50 and $8.50, then it can't be $5.75 and $9. Okay. So you could say once you find the actual prices, you could say, because I know the price is Jen is wrong. That's one way. A better way of doing it is basically to just take Jen's prices and actually plug them in. So I'm going to use the second equation. So I'm going to put in 575 plus 1 times what is R 850. And I'm going to see, does that actually equal 4750? If it doesn't, that means Jen is wrong. So now all I'm going to do is go here. Let me go to the regular calculate screen. And I'm going to do 6 times $5.75 plus 1 times 850. And then I'm going to say, is that equal to 4750? And if it's true, that means we got to check the second one. But I get a false. So that means Jen is capping. No, that means Jen is wrong. It's not, she's not correct. And the reason we know she's not correct is we tried her prices and it doesn't equal 4750. That's all you have to say. Just say, I told my students to say Jen was capping. Jen was not correct because this is not equal to 4750. Now, if you do this, this is 2 points. All right, so that's how you do when it's basically standard form. So I'm going to stop and I'm going to post this. Next, I'm going to do one when it's in slope intercept form. All right, so let me stop and post this.